ఏదైతే తప్పొస్తుంది సౌండ్ బాగా రావాలి.
Solution 15th one. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points -2 comma 8 and -3 comma -5. Suppose we are taking a point on the line any that is in coordinate geometry -3 comma 5 and P is a point that is x comma y. The given points are one is A, another one is B. Suppose the given point it is A, this is point A, this is point B, but these two are having the equidistance. That is nothing but the distance between the point P to A and P to B. Both are having the equal distance. In this, we are using the distance formula in between of the 2 points. We know that the distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Given points are let it be P equal to x comma y, A equal to -2 comma 8 and B equal to -3 comma -5. Given the relation between P, A and B is equidistance from the P point to A and B. That is nothing but PA is equal to PB. And we are applying the distance between the 2 points P and A and the distance between the 2 points P and B. And we can equate both distances. Here we can take under root of P is, suppose we can take x1, y1, Q is, A is x2, y2. Then we can apply x2 minus x1, that is -2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equal to under root of, here we can take it is x2 comma y2. That is -3 minus x whole square plus -5 minus y whole square. Next squaring on both sides. Both sides square root will be get cancelled, root and square. Then it is -2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equal to -3 minus x whole square plus -5 minus y whole square. Here in these two terms taking minus common, minus into minus plus, if we squaring the minus, then it is 2 plus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equal to, in this also taking the minus common, minus into minus plus, then it becomes 3 plus x whole square plus, in these two terms taking minus common, minus into minus plus, then it is 5 plus y whole square. By using the identity a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, then we can apply the expansion of the identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the another identity is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, expand. Here 2 square is 4 plus 2 to the 4 into x, 4x plus x square plus 8 8 is 64 minus 2 8 is 16y plus y square is equal to 3 3 is 9 plus 3 2 is 6 into x 6x plus x square plus 5 5 is 25 plus 5 2 is 10 into y 10y plus y square. Taking all terms to left side, then it becomes first write the x square plus y square plus 4x minus 16y plus 68 minus x square minus y square minus 6x minus 10y. 9 plus 25 is 34 minus 34 equal to 0. Here plus x square minus x square plus y square minus y square will be 0. That is get cancelled. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here plus 4x minus 6x, that is minus 2x. Minus 16x minus 10x, that is a minus 26. Sorry. Minus 16y minus 10y, that is minus 26y. And plus 68 minus 34, that is plus 34 equal to 0. Then taking minus 2 common, that will be minus 2 is taking common from all the terms, then it is x plus 13y minus 17 is equal to 0. Therefore, from this, this minus 2 is taking to right side, then the relation of the x and y is x plus 13y minus 17 equal to 0 is the relation between x and y. This is the solution of the given problem.